Welcome back to Holiday Horizon, the podcast where we explore all things related to holiday planning, travel, and celebration. I'm Emily.
And I'm David. Today, we're diving into a very exciting topic: how to plan the perfect New Year holiday.
With the new year just around the corner, many people are thinking about their plans. So, David, where do we start?
Great question, Emily. Planning your New Year holiday can be both exciting and a bit overwhelming. The first step is deciding on the type of celebration you want.
Exactly. Do you want to travel somewhere new, host a party at home, or maybe just have a quiet evening with family?
And once you have a rough idea of the kind of celebration, you can start thinking about the details: destination, accommodation, activities, and budget.
Speaking of destinations, Emily, do you have any suggestions on how to pick the right place? Certainly. First, consider your budget. Are you looking for a luxurious getaway or something more budget friendly? Then, think about the climate. Do you want a snowy winter wonderland or a warm beach holiday?
For example, places like New York City are famous for their iconic ball drop, while the Bahamas or Bali offer a sunny escape.
That's right. And don't forget to check for travel restrictions, seasonal weather, and crowd levels. Many destinations get busy, so it's smart to book early.
Definitely. And if you're traveling internationally, make sure your passport is up to date and check visa requirements ahead of time.
Speaking of early planning, I'd recommend booking flights and hotels at least 3 to 6 months in advance. You'll find better deals and more choices.
Yes, and keep an eye out for holiday packages. Airlines and hotels often include extras like city tours, dinners, or event tickets. It can really simplify your planning.
Now, let's talk about activities. How should listeners plan their New Year celebrations?
Great point. The key is to match activities with your interests and those of your travel companions. If you love fireworks and lively celebrations, cities like Sydney, London, or Tokyo are amazing choices.
And if you prefer something more relaxed, consider booking a cozy mountain cabin with a fireplace or a beachfront resort where you can watch the sunrise on January 1st.
For those staying home, hosting a New Year's Eve party can be fun, but it needs planning too. Think about food, drinks, decorations, music, and games to keep guests entertained.
Exactly. Creating a timeline for preparation ensures everything runs smoothly as midnight approaches.
Don't forget to plan your transportation. Arrange ride shares in the city or car rentals if needed. If you're flying, give yourself extra time at the airport to avoid last-minute stress.
Another important aspect is safety and health. Be aware of any travel advisories or health precautions, especially for international trips. Pack essentials like masks, hand sanitizer, and medications.
And definitely consider travel insurance. It provides peace of mind in case of cancellations, delays, or medical emergencies. Now, wrapping up, Emily, any final tips for planning a memorable New Year holiday?
Yes, the most important thing is to plan ahead but stay flexible. Sometimes plans change due to weather or other factors, so have a backup plan. Most of all, focus on enjoying the moment with loved ones. The new year is about joy, reflection, and new beginnings.
Well said.
I think that covers everything for planning a fantastic New Year holiday.
Thanks for tuning in to Holiday Horizon.
We hope your New Year's plans are fun, safe, and unforgettable. Happy holidays, everyone. See you next time. Goodbye.